Once you log in, you'll land on your favorites page. From there, click Analyze Now and select AppTone to get started. Browse through the variety of questionnaire templates in the Gallery section. Click any card to preview the full questionnaire and see if it fits your needs. When you find the right questionnaire, copy it to your private collection by clicking Copy to My Questionnaires. Next, go to the My Questionnaires tab and find the questionnaire you just copied. Click Select to proceed. Now you'll see a screen where you can enter the details of the people you want to receive the questionnaire. Add names, phone numbers, and any extra information that helps you manage the process. You can also share questionnaires easily via QR codes or web links for added convenience. Once all the details are filled in, simply hit the Send button. The screen will reset, clearing the form and preparing you for the next task. You can track all pending questionnaires under the History tab, keeping everything organized and easy to manage. Click the candidate's name on any completed test to open and review their report. Each report is organized into sections, tailored to the specific settings of that questionnaire.
If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.